How to budget 10,000 pesos while enjoying your life. Shoutout sa ka-rich friend natin for asking this question. If you're struggling in budgeting your 10,000 pesos, watch this video. Nahihirapan ka rin ba mag-budget ng 10,000 pesos? Yung 5,000 kada cut-off. So ito yung gagawin mo. Step number 1. List down all of your expenses and focus on the needs. So nandyan yung pagkain, nandyan din yung transpo, nandyan na rin yung iyong upa. Ulitin ko necessities, not luxuries. This actually creates awareness on where your money is going. Kasi kung hindi mo alam saan papunta pera mo, mahirapan ka rin palaguin ito. Once you've listed it all down, I want you to apply any simple budgeting rule. So if you use 70-20-10 rule, ito yung gagawin mo, breakdown. If mas simple yung life mo, 50-30-20 rule naman ang sundin mo. And kung medyo kipit naman, try 85-10 and 5. Huwag ka na masyado mag-isip, just apply. Step 3, pagdating sa pagkain, try to limit it sa pagluluto sa bahay. Buying in bulk, basta make sure yung nutritious yung kinakain nyo. Fourth is extreme focus on your big goals. If you know meron kang pinag-iipunan, huwag ka na mag-impulse buying. Iwasan mo nang tumambay sa Lazada o Shopee unless part ng budget mo yun. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. Here's the reality, maraming instances na mapapayes ka sa mga kaibigan mo pag lumalakwat siya. Mapapayes ka sa sarili mo bumili ng bagay na gusto mo. But you have to say no. Lalo na kung hindi siya pasok sa budget mo. Make sure a portion of your budget goes to your rainy day fund, yung emergency fund mo. You'll never know. Believe me. Of course, celebrate small wins. Kung meron ka naman nangyaring masayang moment, go ahead, enjoyin mo siya. Yes! Always take time to review and adjust your budget. Magkano na ginagastos mo, magkano na pumapasok na pera sa loob ng bulsa mo. Just remember, budgeting is not depriving yourself. It's just making money work for you, for your goals. If you want to continuously be financially free, like and follow for more. This is